Okay, so today is 3rd of May 2024 and this is Indian stock market. The stock name is Indian Hotels, whatever. And then this is the daily chart updated up to the previous day. So then what do we see here? First of all, we can see that we had an imbalance right here, bearish fair value gap. Also this is an order block, so price is coming from this inefficiency. It has created this swing low, then it has entered into this inefficiency, and then it is coming down. So the next drawn liquidity is this one. This is the next drawn liquidity. So based on that, we are bearish for the day, and this is the candle updated up to the previous day, that is 2nd May. Okay, so let us come to the today's chart. So this is today's price action. As we can see, price has first of all swept this buy side here, and then coming down. So immediately we moved on to 3 minutes chart, and initially we just find that it was not creating any kind of fair value gap or any kind of order block plus fair value gap, this type of setup in the morning. Then this was the previous day low, so it tried to sweep the previous day low and then comes up using these sell stops right below this previous day low, and then again it creates a fair value gap here. So this was the first fair value gap that was created towards our bias direction, and then price again went up to mitigate this fair value gap, and then it comes down, and then this is the second fair value gap. So now this completes our setup. So 2 fair value gaps right in a row. For this one is used for clearing the previous day low, and this one is to confirm that it wants to go further down. So based on that, we entered from here, right from here, as you can see. So from this candle, stop loss just above this high, and target here 2.5:1 was our target, and so I kind of exited from here because it was Friday. Sometimes in Friday in the afternoon, market just goes real quick. If it is a down closing market, then sometimes due to profit booking it goes up in the Friday afternoon session. So without wasting any money, based on that, as you can know that yesterday I encountered a loss, so I didn't want to encounter any further losses for today and close the week with peace of mind. So therefore I booked profit right here. So it was like 2:1 or something like that. So that was the trade for today. So overall this week I was profitable. Only in Thursday I encountered a loss. Otherwise Monday was profitable, Tuesday was profitable, Wednesday we had a holiday, and then today also profitable. So overall weekly profitability was ensured. Thank you.